pakitignan niya habang kinukuha na yung bag ko sa likod. Good morning. It's an overcast Friday morning. At today, ang agenda natin ay wala. Wala tayong agenda ngayon. So, ibig sabihin, we can just relax. And katulad ngayon, we are going for our breakfast. And ang napili nating breakfast, kasi nagkikrave ako ng rice, is punta tayo ng Wang's Broth. We're gonna eat there. And then we're gonna go over to NTU to buy something. And then we'll see how the rest of the day will go. Ganun lang. Walang masyadong agenda. Because I think sometimes we need like time para sa ating mga schedules na magkaroon ng konting break para hindi masyadong parang may time ka to recover a little bit kasi syempre lagi ka naglalakad, mamadali ka, your senses are always parang on alert dahil nga you're in a foreign country, nag-travel ka. So I find that muna tayo. I find that having a little bit of a break mid or somewhere in your schedule so you're traveling is always a good idea. Pero syempre kung 2 araw ka lang, saan masisingit yan, di ba? Mag-isip kang konti. Napaingit mo ulo ko eh. Di ba? Sana hindi ka na umalis. Kasi pagdating mo dito, mag-check-in ka bukas. Mag-check out ka na. Magsayang ka lang. Oras. Sana nanood ka na lang ng Netflix. Anyway. So, lakad lang tayo. We're now here at the Longshan Temple area to go to Wang's Broth. Doon lang ako kakain na. Yan. Remember the last time kinukuhanan ko siya. Kasi ito kung may nakausap, so hindi ko talaga na-enjoy yung pagkain. Kasi may kausap ako, kain lang na kain, hindi ko na siya na-appreciate. Now here at Wang's Broth. It's a good thing it's Lord, nangyari? Walang masyadong pila. So, I ordered the best sellers, which is the braised pork. And then this is the pork with broth. And fried tofu. This is supposed to be another Bib Gourmand restaurant. And I think all of this is 170 Taiwanese dollars. Hindi na natin patagalin pa. Baka magtampo pa. Wow. Yung fat melts in your mouth. Let's try the soup. Ang sarap ng soup. Sana masarap to kasi favorite ko to. Ang sarap ng tofu. Pero ngayon, i-appreciate talaga natin siya. Okay? Sinasabihan ko lang kayo na kung nandito kayo, puntahan nyo rin to. Okay din siya. Okay. Yes, they are open. Ito na siya. Wait. Ayun yung proseso, guys. Pork rice with mushroom, cooked rice. Nasaan na yung gusto pa natin to? And then, ito. Wala na pa sa likod? Wala na. Pass your paper na ito.
이거
Siya. So, nagpunta tayo dito ngayon very early in the morning. They open at 9 o'clock. So, if you want, kita mo konti pa lang yung tao. And then mamaya, start na yan na mahirap na yung yung ating pila. So, the sequence, as I told you before, is you gotta you choose yung dine-in or take-out. Tapos, you get a table. Pag meron ka ng table, ilista mo na kung anong gusto mo. And then, you go pay over at the cashier where they will process everything na mabilis lang. May English translation pala yung parang order sheet nila. And then, upo ka na uli. And then, just wait for it. Mga medyo 1 or 2 minutes nandito na. Tapos, tip, bago kayo pumunta dito, bumili na kayo ng drinks because walang drinks dito. Very important. You don't wanna learn that the hard way. Oh, sure. Thank you. Okay, our order is here. It's different from before. There's stewed pork and mincho. Ooh, init. We have our braised duck eggs and our tofu, fried tofu. Then, syempre, baka magkulang, ang hirap pumila, baka humaba. Nag-back up na tayo ng rice. Kain na tayo. Parang gusto kong ilipat tong braised pork and mushroom dito sa aking plain rice para maglasa siya kahit papaano. So it could be too much. Actually, yun yung practical tip na gusto kong sabihin sa inyo. Orderin nyo na yung steamed stewed pork kasi meron na yung topping ng braised pork at saka mushroom. And then, order ka na lang ng rice, ilipat mo na siya dito. And you have an instant lauto fan. Diba? Brainy yung kanya. Okay, let's chow. Sabi, ang sarap. Okay, hintuan ko na. Lagi kong sinasabi masarap. Super good. I love it. This time, enjoy ko na siya. This has been Wang's Broth.